just want to welcome y'all to the latest episode of Wheel Swap. After getting that 1964 Chevy fleet side cleaned up, it was necessary to put some solid tires on the truck. And the first of the tires we had on there was so bad, I don't even know how they made it. I don't even know how they kept airing them. Remember those tires we took off the Silverado in episode 1? We repurposing the wheels and tires to use on the 1964 C10 while we work on it. That's why it's important to never throw quality things away, because you never know when you can use them. We also came across some seats and a middle console that had been sitting in the garage. We got those cleaned up to go inside the C10. Alright, we switched the tires out. We got the seats in there. That was the icing on the cake. Now this truck got a brand new attitude with all the upgrades. Y'all stay tuned for Wheel Swap. We're going to keep swapping these wheels. We're going to keep upgrading these cars. I need y'all to subscribe because you listen to me this long.
Want to bring some soul to your car life, you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join the Silent Riders Network.